Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Photomath app. So all you have to do in first, so you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. You will find here apps, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here and here you're looking for Photomath app, or just click on search here. So then here add Photomath, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then you come to next step here, you click on for stop, click here on OK. So then you go down, just click on storage, you come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.